Can you see me? What about now? Huh? Better. Okay, nice to see you all too. Welcome back to the MEF-CECP. Oh. Hold on, I forgot There we go, much better. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back officially here to the MEF Infinite Edge Series Episode 4. I'm Jeff Savilico, your host and personal tour guide, with some pretty big shoes to fill, while my co-host, John Petz, is away.
Wait, speaking of shoes, those, I see those are my shoes. I've been looking for those.
Well, look who's back. The Jedi returns.
No, just checking in, seeing how things are going.
Oh, well, things are going pretty darn well, Johnny boy. Did you see episode 3? I mean, nailed it.
Well, I don't know if I'd say nailed it. It was okay. I'd give it a nah.
What does that mean?
I mean, come on, man. This whole disappearing act with well, come on, seriously? This is professional grade show we're doing here.
Oh, come on, bro. Listen, I'm not Houdini, all right? I get it, but I've been working on my magic. And anyway, my real talent
Don't even
is
say juggling. I mean, if you're gonna go there, most of the people watching can do that. Anyone can do that.
Really? Anyone can do that? Anyone can do that.
Yeah. Anyone. Seriously.
All right, well, 3 balls. You know, like pretty much anybody can juggle 3 balls. What about this, John? Can you do this? Huh?
Yeah, seriously. You got anything better than that? I mean, this is getting like child's play.
Okay. What about a knife, John? A big, sharp knife. Can you do that? Juggle a knife, huh?
One, Jeff? Seriously? Get real.
Oh, great. Yeah, how convenient. Your screen froze. Buffering issues. You know what? Just get out of here, John. I got a show to do, okay?
Fine, but I tell you, I want my shoes back. Serious. Oh, and by the way, this is how you disappear.
All right, you know what? I can do that too, okay? I can do a little disappearing act. Whoa! All right. I'm just gonna stick to the juggling. Anyway, it's time to hit the road and continue our journey along the Infinite Edge. Let's start off with a quick look back at the highlights so far.
Interconnect, automate, operate, accelerate, because those are the keys.
We believe that this digital transformation journey is all about customer experience transformation and ease of doing business with our customers going forward.
Networking is cool again, right? Networking is cool again.
I think the big challenge is, how do you shift from where you are today to a new security model?
I would characterize the cybersecurity landscape as sprawling and ever evolving.
I think that's the opportunity for SD-WAN, is really to scale more smaller form factor devices, lower cost points, to help with kind of those power users in that work from home.
Standardization is really key to growing the market and accelerating the deployment of SASE services.
We have a couple different challenges to that. One is that the perimeter is dissolving, people are moving all over the place. The second is that threats are evolving.
SASE services are really expected to provide an optimal combination of networking and security.
The factors that are driving SASE adoption is really cloud migration and cloud adoption.
What a great recap. Clearly, we've made some interesting stops along the way. Topics like the digital transformation landscape and the challenges and opportunities of SD-WAN and SASE. Now today, we're taking things up a notch and getting our heads out of the clouds and into edge computing. In this episode, we're going to discover the key steps industry players are taking to support mission-critical emerging digital applications like AR, VR, tactile internet, autonomous vehicles, and robotics. We'll also get up to speed on efforts to provide end-to-end application performance and security orchestrated across an ecosystem of automated and virtualized networks that incorporate edge computing, 5G, SD-WAN, SASE, and other advanced digital transformation solutions. Today's awesome road trip is powered by the support of our amazing sponsors, speakers, and analysts. Please don't forget to show your appreciation by visiting our sponsor booths below and chatting up our speakers and analysts by using the chat feature to your right. They would love to hear from you. Come to think of it, so would I. You know what? Let's try this. If this is your first episode of the MEF Infinite Edge series, put a 1 in the chat window to your right. Go on, just put the number 1. Now, if this is your second episode or more, put a 2 in the chat window. You got it? Go on, put 1 if it's your first time joining us, put a 2 if it's not. I'll give you 1 more second here. All right, great. Now, let's see what companies are here with us today. Type your company name and your company name only in the chat window. Let people know you're here. Shout out your company name. Come on now, just your company name. You've got 1 more second. Go. We've got a global representation of companies registered for the series, as you can see. And no matter where you're joining from, we are so glad you're here. Thank you for joining us today. Now remember, you can continue to connect and let other attendees know you're here, just like that, throughout the episode by using the same chat feature, and we hope you do. Now, we're kicking things off with a special keynote presentation from Mo Kataba, Chief Product and Platform Officer at AT&T. We'll get his take on the incredible value at the edge, where companies can exert greater control from application data, benefit from the speeds of localized compute, and enable entirely new experiences. In this keynote session, Mo will dive further into multi-access edge compute, network edge compute, and what the future holds as these technologies join forces with 5G and 5G plus environments. But first, this message.